now we have come for lunch with my family today, and I just took some very exciting photos for an ad with New Look, which is so exciting, so big, and I've got this really cute outfit on that I'm going to show you guys now. I do, however, have foundation on my top because I was getting ready in the car. I know, but like, I just realized the video that we just took, I can't edit it out, but the photos I will be able to. These tights are like these really beautiful cable knit ones, red gingham print skirt. We have this gorgeous bag, I think his favorite thing to use because this is so cute. It is like such a nice wintry but autumny day. The leaves all fallen. We just took some good photos. My confidence right now is very high. I feel like it's giving New York Fashion Week.
Among all the gifts along the Christmas cards, I think of you. Don't forget. I ring a bell for those who have nothing, so lend a helping hand. And if you do the very
Yes, oh my god, are you kidding? Yeah. I'm so excited. Okay. I am now back at home, and I had a very exciting parcel come in the mail today. I don't even know where to begin with this just because it feels so unreal to me. This has something to do with Lush. When I got this email through the other day, I just couldn't believe what I was reading. But basically Lush actually reached out to me and they wanted to send me a PR package, which is just such a dream. It feels genuinely unreal. In every single self-care video that I do, Lush is in it, like always. My entire shower is literally just Lush. Lush as a brand has definitely helped me take care of myself. I'm a huge self-care person, and Lush definitely as a brand has advocated for self-care. I would say that bond is really special to have with the brand. Just so grateful, and I just want to say a huge thank you to the Lush PR team. I want to show you guys what is inside this PR package and what they have kindly gifted me. Inside we have all of the goodies. This beautiful card, it says Lush, and inside it says a little message. Hi Sienna, it is officially snow fairy season. We hope you enjoy this early festive treat filled with shimmering fairy dust. Love, Lush PR. Oh my god, I feel like I'm dreaming. This is insane. I'm so grateful. This is crazy. They've also popped in a little card here about their Wicked X Lush collection, which is so exciting. I believe is available to buy already. I think their collection is already out from November. That is exciting. I'll have their Wicked line down below for you guys. Everything will be down below. We also have a Lush Times that has all the things to do with Christmas, zodiac signs, snow fairy, and also they have their whole sticky dates range, which is their like how to smell edible range, because everyone's been raving about it on TikTok, so they've got it all in the Lush Times, which is so cool. The first thing we have in here is a Snow Fairy body spray. You guys know how much I love mine. I have mine still from last year, almost ran out. Brand new one this year. This is amazing. It's how to smell amazing this time of the year, all year round. So recognizable, and it's an addictive scent. Once you start wearing it, you will want to wear it forever. It's so good. Next up, we have a Snow Fairy bath bomb, which I'm planning on using tonight. This is what the bath bomb looks like. Look how gorgeous she is. It smells, of course, like like Snow Fairy, so delicious. Also have a Snow Fairy body lotion. I cannot get enough of this stuff. I love mine, and conveniently I've almost run out of mine, so this came just in time. Also have Snow Fairy lip mask. If you guys know the Laneige lip masks, I'm so shocked that this is so similar, but in the Snow Fairy scent. This is everything I've been needing in my life and more. Like a lip balm texture, which is so cool. So I will be using this tonight. And then the last thing, which is incredible, their brand new milkshake collection to do with Snow Fairy. So this is the Snow Fairy milkshake shower gel. Look how cool this looks. This is insane. This is the normal Snow Fairy shower gel. I've used like half of it now. And then this is the milkshake version. It is the confidence and joy in an oat milkshake. This sweet treat for the skin cleanses and soothes with cherries to make skin brighter and life pinker. That sounds like a daydream. Comparison wise, you guys can see this one's a little bit lighter. Sand is probably stronger in this one, and this one's a little bit more milk. That is everything that was in my Lush Snow Fairy PR package. I feel so ready for Christmas. I went out today, as you guys saw. The Christmas spirit is in the air, and I know you guys are feeling it as well. And all the decorations are up. It's getting colder early. All the festive drinks are here. I'm so ready for it. I feel so motivated content wise at the moment. Now a few days later from the last clip that you guys just saw. We had such a fun time. We went to basically the Christmas markets in Cardiff that have now opened in town. I met up with like my auntie, uncle, cousins. But going off of that, we are going to be going to Winter Wonderland next, and I'm so excited because I'm actually going to be going with one of my YouTube friends, Sienna, which I know is kind of crazy because we have the same name. I'm going to be meeting her tomorrow, and we are going to be having a very fun festive day in Cardiff. I'm thinking about editing the video I just filmed because I just filmed a Christmas gift guide video. I really want to edit that. This Jellycat right now. It's so cute. I think this is the bigger version. There was a smaller one. It wasn't 50 pounds. This is 50. The smaller one's 25. Either way, it's adorable.
I think either way you need it.
Either way I need it. I love Jellycats so much, it's kind of a problem. That's the same as the key ring.
That's so cute. That is cool.
I don't have a kitchen yet, however, these are so cute. Look at them. Should we have kids? Oh my gosh. It's like, I will learn how to make casserole. That is very unique.
Like, they're so fresh.
I know, they're so pretty.
I stop, I got an enquires. Marsha brushworks, yeah, and it's big. And then I got this really cool, adorable evil eye ring.
Ready?
As I'm going to use an apron.
For like baking videos.
What, one baking video?
Yeah.
You're gonna make one, you're not gonna make any more.
In Vlogmas. Me and my mum are going to be going out for a little bit, so I'm just getting ready. I've tried to do something different with my hair, so I've got like these little curly bits around the bun, and I used hair mousse, Wella Deluxe styling hair mousse, and I think it's kind of working. It's like slicking back my hair but not all crusty and stuff. Also, I'm wearing my new dress. It is actually from Skims. I'm just going to pop some perfume on. I'm addicted to this perfume, and of course I'm going to use some Snow Fairy. We're just gonna go get some warm drinks, have a little walk, have a little talk. Mum just gave me her scarf because I was absolutely freezing, but we are walking now and it's so pretty, and I need to get out more because I would love to like explore more places like this one. But the trees are just, as you guys can see, literally behind me. It is beautiful. I'm in awe. I'm really looking forward to that warm drink though because I'm so cold.
That we are alone, the kids have all flown out. I've got a thought, dear, been planning on my own. So what would you think about us making a clean getaway, not coming back till New Year's Day? Let's go to Paris for Christmas this year. Let's go to Paris for Christmas this year. We'll stroll down Champs-Élysées, wishing our troubles away. Let's go to Paris for Christmas this year. It's been so long, dear, since we've been anywhere. I think we deserve as much. 2 first-class seats to Charles de Gaulle out of St. Louis land.